A tiny local coffee shop with zero budget for fancy videos or influencers suddenly crushes it on Facebook. Their ad doesn't shout with flashy graphics or celebrity faces. Instead, it quietly pulls people in like a magnet, turning clicks into customers like clockwork. What's the secret? It's not what you see, it's what you read. The exact way their ad words were written lit a spark that set off a buying frenzy. Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain on that secret weapon. The exact AI prompts that create Facebook ads so persuasive. They practically sell themselves. You can spend thousands on ads, swap out images, and hire the experts, but if your words don't hit the right spot, your ads are just noise. I've seen marketers pour money into flashy designs and still get crickets because they missed one crucial step: crafting messages that truly connect. That's where AI prompts come in. These aren't just fancy sentences. They're carefully engineered phrases that tap into real emotions, solve problems, and push people to take action. If your ads aren't converting, chances are you're ignoring this powerful secret. And once you understand how to use AI to write your Facebook ads, you'll stop wasting money and start getting results. Listen closely. This isn't another vague try this or maybe that kind of video. What I'm about to share are exact AI prompt formulas, battle-tested and rooted in real marketing psychology, designed to create Facebook ads that don't just get seen, they get results. These prompts are like having a secret weapon in your back pocket that instantly turns ordinary words into powerful sales machines. You'll leave this video armed with clear, actionable prompts that practically guarantee higher conversions. No guesswork, no fluff. And here's the thing. Mastering these prompts means you'll stop wasting money on ads that barely move the needle. Instead, you'll start writing copy that hooks, convinces, and compels people to click right now. If you're serious about leveling up your Facebook ads and staying ahead in this fast-changing AI marketing world, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. AI Weeklies is your go-to source for the smartest, sharpest AI marketing strategies every single week. Don't miss out. Alright, now we're stepping into the secret lab of high-converting Facebook ads. I'm about to hand you 5 AI-powered prompts that aren't just good, they're the exact conversion engines behind ads that crush it day after day. These prompts tap into hidden psychological triggers, and once you use them, your ads will never be the same. Ready? Let's break it down. Prompt number 1. The emotion trigger, the invisible push that makes people click, even when they don't want to. People don't buy because they want to, they buy because they feel they have to. The secret sauce? Emotion. AI helps you sculpt words that pull on fear, excitement, or relief, so strong that your audience can't ignore the urge to act. Imagine an ad that whispers, "Only a few spots left. Will you be the one who misses out?" It creates this sharp edge of urgency but without feeling like a pushy salesman. That's psychological resonance, the invisible pull that moves hearts and wallets. This isn't just selling, it's emotional engineering. Prompt number 2. The story spark, how a tiny tale can shatter skepticism and hook minds instantly. Here's where most ads fall flat. They talk at people, not with them. But when you slip a tiny story into your copy, something magical happens. Your audience sees themselves in it. Like this: she tried every cream, but nothing worked until she found this. Suddenly, your ad becomes a doorway to hope, empathy, and curiosity. AI crafts these story sparks like a master storyteller whispering in your ear, helping you cut through the noise with a relatable moment. Prompt #3. The social proof formula, turning strangers into believers without sounding like a sales pitch. Ever scroll past a fake-sounding review and think, yeah, right? That's because most social proof feels forced. But AI perfectly tweaks testimonials so they sound real, relatable, and credible. It transforms "best product ever" into "honestly, I wasn't sure at first, but this changed my daily routine." This subtle shift builds trust instantly and lowers the walls people put up when they see an ad. Social proof isn't just proof, it's your silent persuader, the invisible voice that makes your audience say, "If they love it, maybe I will too." This isn't just a random mashup. It's a carefully crafted formula that addresses every critical factor that makes a Facebook ad convert. It grabs attention, builds trust, connects personally, highlights real benefits, and creates a genuine sense of urgency. Many marketers miss this because it looks simple at first glance, but that's exactly why it's so effective. Instead of juggling separate ads or complicated strategies, this single AI prompt can generate copy that does it all at once, saving time and boosting ROI. Here's the bottom line: in an environment flooded with ads, words carry the real power to cut through noise and drive action. No flashy image or huge budget can replace clear, compelling messaging. Comment below and share your toughest Facebook ad struggles. Let's work through them as a community, because every marketer faces hurdles, but the right approach and tools make all the difference. Finally, subscribe to AI Weeklies and turn on notifications. You'll get weekly insights and proven AI marketing strategies designed to help you write better, convert more, and stay ahead. Because mastering the right words with AI is the future of Facebook advertising.